Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Oligopolies are tricky, but we can master them. Let's break down these market structures to find the perfect match for our coffee shop scenario. An oligopoly is a market structure dominated by a very small number of large firms. These companies are interdependent, meaning their pricing and marketing decisions directly impact their few competitors' actions. Option E describes a duopoly, which is the simplest form of an oligopoly. Having only two shops competing through aggressive promotions and discounts perfectly illustrates this intense strategic behavior between firms. In contrast, option A describes perfect competition while B represents a monopoly. Since E shows a small group of firms competing, it is our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of market power and trust given definitions to avoid a rush.